So wagwan, almost Thanksgiving, I'm gonna show you how to make a jerk curry butter turkey. 2 sticks of butter, 2 nice tablespoons of that good Jamaican curry. Not too much. We need 2 nice tablespoons of that green seasoning, or maybe a little bit extra. Now we're gonna also add some of this mild jerk seasoning here. Okay, I'm doing the same 2 tablespoons. And then 2 tablespoons of that dry jerk seasoning. Now all we're going to do now is follow this up with some chicken broth. You can use vegetable broth too if you want, right? Just a little bit here just to kind of loosen this seasoning up. Because I want to give the curry a little chance to kind of toast up a little bit, right? Oh, I'll try it. Perfect. So now you want this to be slightly on the saltier side. Reason being, we season up a 13-pound turkey, right? So this is going to be perfect for that size. See curry butter there? So now that it get cold, see there? I'll go ahead and just apply some generous heaping of it, right? And then we'll just have a massage this turkey here down. Try to get up underneath the skin and stuff, right? So of course we'll leave this overnight for marinade, right? Just like that. Come, we could get the turkey in the oven now. So we're gonna start out with some carrots. We'll also have some celery here. And also some onions. Some fresh cranberries. Beautiful. There's a turkey here. I'll put on some. Let's get this big turkey right in here, so you get all of that good curry butter all over this. And we're gonna add a couple bay leaf to this. And how could we leave out a couple pimento seed, right? And then just go ahead and finish off the rest of that cranberry, right? Alright, so this is what we're looking like right now. Looking lovely. Now we're gonna add some more chicken broth here, just right around the sides. I ain't got no foil paper, but you know, we're supposed to cover this down. We'll just use some parchment paper for now, right? So I'm gonna put this inside of a 350-degree oven. I will come back and check on it. So this been cooking for 3 hours now. Alright, they come together. Nice little island turkey, right? Yes, man, none of those fancy ones you be seeing on TV, but look at this.
No, I was wrong about it. Alright, I'll leave you know. Hey, other people may be upset about it, but we don't have to do the job for you.
So now we're gonna put this back into the oven for another hour, but we're gonna leave it uncovered, right? We're gonna give it some color now.
You run it off.
I'll go ahead and reduce this and make a little gravy, right? But I always keep basting the turkey because that's how you keep it nice and juicy, right? And this is just about done, so we raise the oven up to about 400 degrees. That way we can start putting some nice color on this, right? Some cranberries to this, just some more if we kind of pump up the flavor, right? And we're gonna hit this with a nice good dose of honey. That'll bring a nice little sweet edge to it, right? And just like that, it's dinner time.
How many nights are you being there for? I'm counting. We're gonna be there tomorrow and we even Sunday.
So let's go in right now. I'll just take one of these legs off here. Oh, using this little knife, right? Oh, look at that. It's gonna be so good. Wow. Okay, let's put that over here. Alright, we'll try that one. I want to get a little piece of that breast also. Done. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be the first bite. Now we'll dip it in some of that other one we just made. That's beyond flavorful, right?
So we decided to take the fight to them. How's that working out for us?
So definitely give this a try. Very easy, very simple. Not overly seasoned, not overly greasy. It seems like the perfect recipe, right? Happy Thanksgiving. The next day.